Hello everyone, myself Shivani, MSc Nursing Tutor. Today we are here to discuss very important women health issue is ovarian cancer. Ovarian cancer is silent killer because its early symptoms are unnoticed. So timely awareness and early detection is very crucial. September is observed worldwide Ovarian Cancer Awareness Month. So it's reminder that knowledge can change their lives. To share the detailed information regarding theme, incidents, preventions and the role of nurse. Now my student will present their awareness session on ovarian cancer. Give them your full attention and support.
So, the ovarian cancer main theme is the no woman left behind, including the ensuring equal awareness of the woman in the providing the health education about the ovarian cancer and the providing the all information about the ovarian cancer to unaware area in the providing the menstrual health and the ovarian health, maintain the hygiene. So, these the unaware area in the control the ovarian cancer.
Let's see the ovarian cancer definition. According to the World Health Organization, ovarian cancer is a malignant neoplasm arising from ovary, fallopian or peritoneum, characterized by uncontrolled growth of abnormal cell with the potential invade and metastasis.
We are discuss about the incidence of the ovarian cancers in global. 3,40,000 cases each year in cases of global. In India, 30,000 and 35,000 around cases each year of the India, and third most common of the cancers in women is ovarian cancers.
Now let's see the risk factors of ovarian cancer. First, age above 50 years, family history of ovarian cancer, breast cancer and colorectal cancer, reproductive history, genetic mutations, lifestyle modification, hormonal changes and medical condition.
Now we are to discuss about the key symptoms of the ovarian cancer like abdominal bloating, swelling, abdominal and pelvis pain, urinary changes and menstrual changes in the daily routine life, and unexplained weight loss and indigestion and nausea.
There are several complications in ovarian cancer. Complications in local area like pelvic pain, ascites, bowel obstruction, urinary obstructions. In systematic complications like metastasis, pleural effusion, anemia and cachexia, that is weight loss. And there are also complications in treatment like hair loss and chemotherapy. And surgical treatment, there are many chances of infections and infertility in ovarian removal.
Now let's see prevention and early detection of ovarian cancer. First is a regular gynecological checkup, then genetic testing and counseling, then oral contraceptive pills, healthy lifestyle, prophylactic surgery, pregnancy and breastfeeding.
First of all, we discuss about health education and awareness should be provided in community. First point is conduct community programs and awareness talks during ovarian cancer month. Then educate about key symptoms of ovarian cancer. Encourage regular gynecological checkups. Then discuss about genetic counseling and testing should be done in community. Lifestyle promotion like some exercise, regular diet and follow some genetic checkups. Encourage decision-making power in women. Encourage to women that actively participate in community.
We discuss about support for patients and families, and then psychological and emotional support and social support and financial and survivor advocacy.
Now we can discuss about the role of nurse, about ovarian cancer awareness. So first one is health education, second one is awareness of symptoms, third one is encouraging early detection and diagnostic evaluation, fourth one is community outreach, fifth one is psychological support and emotional support, and last one is advocacy.
Early detection saves lives.
Listen to your body.
Know your risks.
Encourage others to get checked.
Thank you so much for watching the video.